Spot Goes to the Swimming Pool by Eric Hill. Spot and Mom are going to swimming at the pool. Tom and his mom are there too. "Hello, Tom," says Spot. The water looks a bit cold, and Spot is feeling a little unsure. "Come on, Spot," says Mom. "Give the water a try. It's great when you get in." Mom stays close to Spot. "It's fun splashing in the water. I think I'm ready to let go of the side," says Spot. Soon, Spot is floating around. "I love swimming," says Spot. Spot's friend Steve likes swimming too. "Now it's time to dry off. You're getting water everywhere," laughs Mom. "I'm hungry after all that swimming," says Spot. Luckily, Mom has a good idea. It's time for a treat. Yum! The end.